Hey guys, I wanted to introduce to you one of my favorite brain therapies that I've ever found. This is a home brain training device, what we found to be the most effective, non-invasive therapy for my brain. So essentially, this is like lifting weights for your brain. Just think of how many brain issues are happening around us. Maybe yourself, maybe our family members, the whole world. For example, we consume 60 to 70% of the world's anti-psychotic medications in the United States. That's incredible. 60 to 70% of those medications are in the United States, yet we only represent 5% of the world's population. That's insane to me. Yet we still have some of the worst depression, anxiety, ADD, you name it, issues in the world. So most of us don't really take care of our brain, usually until it's too late. We start losing our memory. You know, we all hear the Alzheimer's stories. There are so many brain-related issues out there. You know, this device is something I use for myself, my family, for prevention, for optimization, and it comes basically packaged as the most versatile device that I've ever seen. And it's so passive, it's so easy to use that you literally just put it on and wear it while I check my emails, while I read a book, while I watch TV. So it's as simple as it comes like this little iPod looking device, right? You turn it on, it has everything pre-programmed into it. This technology basically helps stimulate different parts of your brain, depending on what treatment you decide to use, through your ocular nerve and through your auditory nerve. So kind of like lifting weights for our body, I don't want to isolate just my biceps or just my hamstrings or something like that. I want to train the whole body, and that's essentially what this does. It's a passive therapy. You put it on and you forget about it. Each of the training sessions is 30 minutes. I like to pick 2 different sessions, and I do one of each of those sessions per day. So they're a half hour each. That means an hour of therapy per day. If you look at the treatment chart or symptom chart that comes along with this, you can just go through that symptom chart and essentially find the issues or symptoms you want to work on. Then you just find those protocols in here, you push play, and you wear it once a day or twice a day. Some people like to split up the half-hour sessions where they do one in the morning, one later on. There's sleep protocols in there. Anything you can think of, it all comes pre-programmed in here. So I have my kids use it, my wife uses it. Everybody can use it because it has all the different programs in it already. So essentially what I do is I find the program. I like to do a program called Balance One. I push play on it. I literally put the glasses on and I put the headphones on and I get busy with whatever work I'm doing. So counts down 10 seconds, it turns on, I'm on Balance One, and I can put it in my pocket, walk around, or check my emails or otherwise. So you guys, this is an incredible device. I definitely urge you to pay attention to this, do some research on it, watch the videos that we can send you. And again, you're gonna hear these different tones and these different colors and LED lights stimulating different parts of the brain. If it were up to me, every household in the world would have one of these, and everybody in the house would be using this every single day or at least 5 days a week. We don't really do many things that are good for our brain. We're barely making it to half of our lifespan. Through that time, I mean, we have so many mental stress issues through our world, chemical, mental, and physical issues that contribute to brain health. 90% of what your brain does is actually coordinating your physical body in relationship to gravity. So again, we don't do very many things that help prevent and optimize our brain function. And this is by far the most effective, non-invasive thing that helps support our brain function.